Have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach right before a big presentation, or gotten a headache when you were super stressed? That is your mind and body talking to each other. A lot of people tell me they might have mind-body stuff, but the truth is, your mind and your body are inseparable, and they're constantly talking. You can be sure that if you're alive and you're breathing, that you have mind-body stuff. So what is your mind-body connection? Simply put, it's the two-way communication between your brain and the rest of your body. It's the communication between your brain, your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs, and your physical health. For example, stress, which is your mind, might cause tight shoulders, like in my case, or stomach issues. Those are both in your body. Excitement in your mind can also cause energy in your body. The reverse is also true. So lack of sleep, your body, can make you feel irritable or foggy. Exercise, body, can boost your mood, which is in your mind. So why do we say mind-body stuff like it's rare or weird? For too long, we've treated the mind and body as separate entities, especially in the mental health and medical fields. Medical being one, mental health being another. But that's just not how we're built. George Engel in the 1960s and 1970s created the modality Biopsychosocial and advocated for the integration of these two things, saying that they were inseparable. This is the modality that I used to heal, and this is the modality that I take into whole self-wellness because of the impact that it's had on me personally. The impact of mind-body can feel positive, or it can feel negative and spiral in a direction we don't want it to go, like chronic stress and how that impacts our immune function. Or, on the positive side, laughter. The reason why we have laughter yoga and all these different things, meditation, is because of the positive impact they not only have on us in the moment with our physical bodies, but also the impact they have on our mental health and our ability to heal. So why does understanding this matter? Because of the empowerment it can bring into your life. Because it shows you where you have agency and choice. When you start to see that connection, you no longer go to someone with a license and think that there's some magic cure-all for everything you have, but you start to see how your choices, daily, true self-care, start to reduce negative symptoms and can start to increase positive symptoms. And you start to have the ability to choose and create the healing and the wellness that you want to see for your life. A lot of times we look for the answer in something very complex, but the truth is the answer lies in very simple, repeatable steps. For example, in how we breathe. When you breathe from your chest, you're getting a shallow breath. And when you breathe in, your heart rate goes up. And when you breathe out, your heart rate goes down. When you get a shallow breath, you're actually hyperventilating and causing your heart rate to continuously go up. So things like the physiological sigh or biofeedback are extremely helpful for bringing your heart rate down and regulating your nervous system. And you can do that simply by breathing from your belly first before your chest moves, and then slowing your exhale. Or you can actually find videos by Andrew Huberman, who was on the study for the physiological sigh and has phenomenal examples of how to take 2 quick inhales through your nose and 1 slow, long exhale through your mouth. Additionally, certain types of movement For example, if you need to shift out of a frame of mind that you're in or a thought process, you can change your location and walk or go outside. Nature has been shown to have very calming, peaceful effects that regulate your nervous system as well. And if you've been through traumatic experiences, you'll find that fight or flight response is going to be heightened, and you're going to go into it much faster. So finding these little things that calm your nervous system, slow your heart rate, are extremely helpful. Additionally, hydration and nutrition. Mayo Clinic advocates for not eliminating any type of food group, which means not going with fad diets, but they advocate instead for an anti-inflammatory Mediterranean-style diet. We created a quick start guide for you if you're interested. It is free and available for anybody that wants it. Another thing you can do is gratitude practice. Being grateful for not only the things that are working, the things that you want, but being grateful for the opportunity to learn from the things that are not working the way that you want them to. I know that's a heck of a shift, but if you can start to ask yourself how an obstacle or a struggle may be serving you, it does begin to shift your perspective, and it does help you find gratitude even through hard things. One last suggestion that I have for you that's simple and easy is prioritizing your sleep. Sleep goes a long way for mental clarity and just waking up feeling refreshed, feeling good, and feeling ready for the day. Sleep can do wonders for your mental and your medical health and creates a winning combination to the start of your day. So this begs saying again, your mind and your body aren't separate. They're not battling each other, but they're actually a team, and they work together every second of the day. If you can begin to embrace this connection and start to learn more about it, you can unlock incredible empowerment and a sense of well-being. We have two objectives for making videos like this. Our mission to destigmatize the mind-body connection and to provide quality materials for people who want to feel empowered and who want to heal on their terms. So if you know someone who could benefit from this, please share this video. Until next time, remember, you've got this.